Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to the sun-soaked shores of Tunisia, where we'll be exploring the TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz. This four-star gem is nestled in the heart of Port El Kantaoui, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. So, grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes this hotel a standout destination. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Now, I'll be honest, the hotel's website is playing a bit coy with the specifics, but we've done some digging to give you the lowdown. The TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz offers a variety of accommodations that cater to different tastes and needs. While we don't have the exact room categories, we can tell you that each room is designed with a touch of Arabic-inspired elegance, blended seamlessly with modern comforts. Picture yourself stepping into a cozy haven, where the first thing you'll notice is the private balcony, perfect for those lazy mornings when you want to sip your coffee while soaking in the Mediterranean vibes. Inside, you'll find all the essentials to make your stay comfortable. There's a small refrigerator, because let's face it, who doesn't love a chilled beverage after a day in the Tunisian sun? You'll also have complimentary Wi-Fi, so you can make all your friends back home jealous with your vacation photos. And speaking of photos, the flat-screen television might just gather some dust because, with the beautiful surroundings, who needs TV? The modern bathroom comes equipped with a hairdryer and bath sheets, so you can pamper yourself after a day of adventures. While we don't have specifics on room sizes or maximum occupancy, we can assure you that whether you're a solo traveler, a couple on a romantic getaway, or a family looking for some fun in the sun, there's likely a room configuration to suit your needs. And let's not forget those garden views. They're the perfect backdrop for your morning stretches or evening relaxation. Now, let's talk about food because, let's be honest, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? The TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. The main buffet restaurant is a foodie's paradise, offering a smorgasbord of Tunisian and international cuisine. Imagine starting your day with a spread that includes both familiar breakfast favorites and exotic local delicacies. For lunch and dinner, the buffet continues to impress with its variety, ensuring that even the pickiest eaters in your group will find something to tickle their taste buds. But wait, there's more. If you're in the mood for a more intimate dining experience, the hotel's Tunisian a la carte restaurant is the place to be. Here, you can savor authentic local flavors in a charming setting. It's the perfect opportunity to expand your culinary horizons and try dishes you might not find back home. And let's not forget about the bars, because what's a vacation without a refreshing cocktail or two? The hotel boasts a pool bar, perfect for those lazy afternoons by the water, a lobby bar for pre-dinner drinks, and a cocktail bar for nightcaps. There's even a Moorish cafe, where you can experience the rich coffee culture of the region. And for those who like a bit of entertainment with their drinks, the hotel offers live music and karaoke nights. So whether you're a budding pop star or just enjoy watching others take the mic, there's fun to be had for everyone. Speaking of fun, let's dive into the pools and beach situation. The TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz boasts not one, but two outdoor pools. These aren't just any pools. They're palm-fringed oases that'll make you feel like you've stepped into a tropical paradise. While we don't have the exact dimensions, we can tell you that these pools are spacious enough for both leisurely floating and more energetic splashing. The poolside is dotted with comfortable loungers, perfect for working on that vacation tan or losing yourself in a good book. And let's not forget the pool bar, because nothing says vacation quite like sipping a cool drink without even having to leave the water. But if you're more of a sand between your toes kind of traveler, you're in luck. The hotel boasts its own private sandy beach. Imagine stepping out of your room and within minutes, feeling the warm Mediterranean lapping at your feet. While we don't have specifics on the length of the beach or water sports available, we can assure you that it's the perfect spot for beach walks, sandcastle building, or simply lounging under the Tunisian sun. And with the beach being private, you won't have to wrestle with crowds for the perfect spot to lay your towel. Now, for those of you who like to stay active even on vacation, the TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz has got you covered. While we don't have a detailed list of the fitness center equipment, we do know that the hotel offers facilities for guests who want to maintain their workout routine. Whether you're into cardio, strength training, or just need a quick stretch session, you'll likely find what you need here. And for those who prefer their exercise with a side of fun, the hotel's animation team organizes various activities throughout the day. These could range from beach volleyball to aqua aerobics, a great way to burn off some of those buffet indulgences while making new friends. But vacation isn't all about being active, is it? Sometimes, you just need to relax and pamper yourself. That's where the hotel's full-service spa comes in. While we don't have specifics on the treatment menu, we can imagine a range of massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away your stress and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Picture yourself wrapped in a fluffy robe, the scent of essential oils in the air as skilled therapists work their magic. It's the perfect way to treat yourself after a day of sightseeing or to prepare for a night of dining and entertainment. For those traveling with little ones, the TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz has thoughtfully included amenities to keep the younger guests entertained. There's a children's playground where kids can burn off some energy and make new friends. While we don't have details on specific kids club activities, many resorts of this caliber offer supervised programs that might include arts and crafts, games, and even mini discos in the evening. This means parents can enjoy some well-deserved downtime, knowing their children are having fun in a safe environment. But let's not forget about the world outside the hotel gates. The TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz is perfectly positioned for those who want to explore the local area. Just a short taxi ride away is the center of Port El Kantaoui, a charming marina town that's well worth a visit. Golf enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that the El Kantaoui golf course is nearby, a chance to practice your swing with Mediterranean views. History buffs shouldn't miss the Medina of Sousse, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a fascinating glimpse into Tunisia's rich past. For a fun family day out, the Kantaoui Zoo and Aquasplash Thalassa Sousse Water Park are both within easy reach. And of course, there's always the option of simply wandering the local streets, soaking in the sights, sounds, and smells of this beautiful part of Tunisia. So what's the overall verdict on the TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz? Well, based on guest reviews, it seems this hotel is doing a lot right. With an impressive overall rating of 4.3 on TripAdvisor, based on over 4,000 reviews, it's clear that many guests leave with smiles on their faces. The hotel particularly shines when it comes to cleanliness, scoring a stellar 4.5 in this category. Service is another strong point, with guests consistently praising the friendly and attentive staff. The animation team, in particular, seems to be a hit, adding that extra touch of fun to people's stays. But what really makes the TUI SUNEO Royal Kenz stand out? It's the unique blend of Arabic-inspired decor with international elements. This isn't your run-of-the-mill cookie-cutter resort. Instead, it offers a taste of Tunisian culture while still providing all the comforts international travelers expect. The palm fringe pools create a true oasis feel, while the proximity to both a golf course and a private beach means you can easily switch between relaxation and activity. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.